Illo dog. The Illo is an emerging breed of dog, with development beginning in 1987 in Germany. The breed name is trademarked and development has been closely supervised by the Illo Breeding and Research Association. The Illo is notable in that it is primarily selected and bred according to behavioral characteristics and social behavior, with the goal of creating the best family pet. Appearance. Bred to a behavioral rather than an appearance standard, the appearance of the Illo can vary from dog to dog, although the breed standards describe a breed's external appearance, describes the size as 46 to 60 centimeters, gross Illo and 35 to 45 centimeters, klein Illo, at the withers, and weighing 22 to 35 kilograms, gross Illo, and 10 to 15 kilograms, klein Illo, with a body that is slightly longer than tall, and a well-plumed tail, meaning with lots of long fur, often carried in a curve over the back. The prick ears are furry, wide-set, and slightly rounded at the ends. The coat comes in a long, brow hair, and medium, glatt hair, length, both with a dense undercoat, with all colors allowed, with a white with brown, red, black, or gray spots particularly desired. History. Marita and Heinz Sobries began crossing their Eurasiers and bobtails, Old English sheepdogs, in 1987, believing that, although very different in detail, the breeds were of similar type and had arisen as breeds under similar conditions. Dogs from the cross that showed unique characteristics and good health were bred further. Due to the lack of sufficient Eurasiers, a similar breed, the Chow Chow, was added, and later, Samoyeds and Dalmatians were added to expand the genetic base. Breeding has continued with long-term focus on the inheritance of character. The name Illo, originally Illoshaburo, is from letters of the three breeds, Eurasier, Bobtail and Chow Chow, and is protected by trademark in Germany. Breeding dogs with the name Illo is allowed only with the consent of the founders of the Illo breed. Health. As with all created breeds, the Illo's small population size results in the risk of inbreeding and its after-effects of inbreeding depression, and frequent occurrence of hereditary diseases. There is a susceptibility to dystigia, in which corneal damage can occur. Part of the process of accepting a dog for breeding is an eye examination, for prevention of dystigia, and X-rays to avoid breeding dogs with hip dysplasia. A genetic study has been done in Germany using the Illo, calculating the proportion of genes of the different founder breeds, of the inbreeding coefficient and relationship coefficients, and the percentage of stillborn puppies in litters. The study also found that all but 3.5% of the Illo were related to each other. The significant gene percentages of the Illo are 48% Eurasier, 23% Old English Sheepdog, 10% Chow Chow. The inbreeding coefficient was found to be 12.04%. Related varieties. A related crossbreed, from the Pekingese and various small Spitz-type breeds, called Klein Illos, is being developed in the same manner by the same people. Although the crossbreed's development is well monitored, dog and puppy buyers in North America and other areas outside of the European Union will have to determine whether dogs being sold as Illo are the carefully bred Illo Breeding and Research Association dogs, or a similar mix bred together to fulfill the demands of the rare breed pet market.